Hi everyone. Automatic buy-sell call generator. In live market, it will automatically generate calls like a signal, green signal, red signal. Today it's a Wednesday market, September 27. After 1 minute of market open at 9:16 a.m. Sell call came, so red color candle open. Sell at 44,500. That is our entry point line. Below our 100-point first target, 200-point second target line. 44,388 is our first target. So 110-point first target range. Daily, it will automatically analyze market movement. Like we have inputted some breakout formula. So whenever that formula breakout happen means it will give calls like a signal. So how you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch this chart daily. Daily you are going to watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Or you can do auto trading also. So manual trading as well as auto trading, both are possible. If you want to know details or if you want to subscribe for this chart, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it also. So today sell call came at 44,500 range and the first target is 44,388. Let's wait and see. 9:15 to 9:55. After this long momentum, it successfully break out the first target. Like this today call generated and break out the target and continuous bearish momentum, it successfully break out second target at 10 o'clock. Within 45 minutes of trading, more than a 200-point downside momentum. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.